Starts at 6, yeah. Hey.
We are here to recognize the academic accomplishment of these seniors who came to us, a group of children, and leave us tonight as
boring.
Yeah. Good. Graduation. Fun fact.
You've never been to a graduation. What do you think of your first graduation?
Terrible. Those seats were awful.
Those seats were awful.
Yeah. It's like, at least can we sit up high? This isn't gonna be a long segment. Definitely planning on recording later tomorrow. Like a doggy. What was that?
What was that?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Found them?
Yep.
Nice. That's them. Other way. Oh my. Oh, right here. Well, there's one. Alright, it's somewhere here. There's something white in the road over here.
Where?
You see that thing? Or did you already look at that?
No, I didn't even see that.
I think it is. Yeah. Wowzers. So close.
Alright, so stop being an idiot and throwing things on top of the...
This is the most eventful first ever summer vlog ever. We're on the side of the road because I put the AirPods on top of the car. The AirPods fall off of the car. We have to analyze the video. Thank God I had the video. We would never know. We found them. That's all that matters. Might be a little banged up, but what an eventful first summer day. I am so... Since we found everything and everything was okay, I'm actually happy it happened because at the end of the day, this is gonna be cool to like watch back. So the AirPods, let me get a light on. So the actual AirPods are pretty banged up, but I think they were. I think they work.